Hey guys, we're in a park right now, riding our bikes, and I found a bird. Look, the feathers are white, the beak is kind of yellow, and there's more water here. I know. Look guys, tell us what kind of bird it is in the comments, okay? See that guys? That's my sister right there. See that? That's my sister. The bird landed somewhere else.
Just keep on coming with the bike.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep on walking. Here's my sister. That's my sister Kayla, the oldest of the whole entire family. There's Ezekiel. There's the swan again. So we're gonna keep on walking. There's the swan again. Hey, stop, dude. Here's my brother. The freeway again. There's the ocean. There's my mom. If you haven't, she's behind my dad. If you haven't seen her in the other videos, well, there she is. So we're gonna keep on riding the bikes. You see that, guys? Birds. More water. Beyond this point, dogs must be on leash, keep on trails. Ow. brothers again. Look at that. We're going back with my mom and dad. Let's go as fast as we could. There's some ducks out there. I don't know if you can see them, but there's some duck or maybe goose. Bye guys. Like and share this video. And subscribe. Comment down below how you like this video and tell me what kind of bird was that we saw.